Standardize maintenance with procedures and configurable inspection forms. Procedure management begins in the maintenance module, the central repository for standardized and regulatory compliant service protocols. Procedure name creates a unique identifier for recurring maintenance tasks across the enterprise. Asset class categorizes procedures for specific equipment families to ensure task alignment. Multi-day procedure settings define complex workflows spanning extended operational periods for thorough and detailed servicing. Certification required enforces strict compliance by restricting task execution to authorized and highly qualified maintenance personnel. Tags facilitate rapid searching and efficient grouping of procedures within extensive and complex maintenance libraries. Description provides essential technical context and guidance for field technicians during maintenance tasks. Procedure parts automate inventory forecasting by linking required components and materials directly to the assigned task. Configure procedure form enables the creation of custom data capture templates for specific inspection and compliance needs. Field type options like checkboxes allow for structured multi-selection during complex equipment and system inspection routines. Defining specific options ensures that technicians provide consistent and actionable data from the field for audit purposes. Field titles should clearly describe the specific check being performed during the standardized maintenance workflow. Radio buttons ensure singular and definitive responses for critical measurement checks and real-time status updates. Requiring specific data inputs prevents incomplete reports and maintains high standards for operational and safety excellence. This structured approach eliminates ambiguity and ensures that all safety protocols are followed precisely. Tailored forms standardize field data collection, improving audit accuracy and long-term maintenance reporting efficiency. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.